The Zulu kingdom emerged in the early 19th century in southern Africa. Shaka Zulu, a legendary leader, transformed the Zulu tribe. Born in 1787, Shaka was the illegitimate son of Senzangakona. He faced discrimination but grew resilient, determined to prove his worth. Shaka joined the Mthethwa, gaining military experience under King Dingiswayo. His innovations included the short-stabbing spear, the Ikawa. The bull's horn formation allowed Zulu forces to encircle enemies. Shaka's leadership united disparate tribes into a formidable empire. His reign marked the rise of a centralized Zulu kingdom. Shaka's tactics revolutionized African warfare, making his army feared. The Zulu kingdom expanded rapidly through conquests and alliances. In 1818, Shaka became the Zulu king, following Dingiswayo's death. His coronation began a period of extensive territorial expansion. Shaka imposed strict discipline, transforming his warriors. He emphasized training and loyalty, creating an elite military force. Shaka's success depended on a blend of strategy and brutality. He used psychological warfare, striking terror into opponents. Shaka expanded Zulu influence throughout southern Africa. His diplomatic skills secured alliances and trade routes. Under Shaka, the Zulu kingdom's reputation soared across Africa. His reign lasted until 1828 when betrayal ended his life. Shaka's half-brothers, Dingaan and Mlangana, conspired against him. Despite his death, Shaka's legacy endured in the Zulu kingdom. The Zulu military prowess continued influencing African conflicts. Modern historians view Shaka as a revolutionary figure. His leadership style remains a subject of admiration and debate. Shaka Zulu's rise altered the landscape of southern Africa. His innovative warfare strategies impacted battles against colonial powers. The Zulu kingdom's legacy is celebrated in South African history. Shaka's story illustrates the power of visionary leadership. His reign exemplifies the transformation from tribe to empire. Shaka Zulu remains a symbol of strength and unity in Africa.